today I am going to share with you some insider tips on how to create a perfect portfolio for your next job search. Welcome to. That's right, you heard it. This is going to be lit. So, are you ready to make your portfolio stand out? We also have some unique tips at the end, so let's get started. 3 major aspects to consider before creating any portfolio: the problem that you're solving, the route or the methodology that you took, the results. Let's go to base zero. If you are not solving anything unique or providing value in the current solution, scrap the case study. First things first, keep it simple, clean, and easy to navigate. Your portfolio is a representation of your work and design skills, so make sure it's visually appealing and showcases your best work. You don't want to end up confused and lost in a cluttered portfolio like this cat. Secondly, define the exact problem and why you are approaching the change. What are the pain points that you will be tackling in this case study? This creates a base for your research and gives you parameters to highlight in your solution. So now the goal is plotted. Thirdly, show your design process. Employers want to see how you approach a project and what methods you use to solve problems. So, include sketches, wireframes, prototypes, and explain your thought process. That's what I am talking about. Show them how you got to the finished product. Fourthly, be selective about what you include. A portfolio with only a few strong pieces is better than one filled with mediocre work. The bear knows less is more. Fifthly, showcase your versatility. Show that you can design for different platforms and devices and highlight your skills in different areas like branding, web design, mobile app design, etc. The monkey is thinking ahead. Show them you can design for all platforms. And last but not the least, be sure to highlight your successes and quantifiable results. Explain how your design impacts user engagement, conversion rates, and any other metrics that shows your work impact. The defined problem will lead you towards your impact in terms of solution. Look at that cat showing off those impressive metrics. Follow these tips and you will be on the way to create the perfect UI/UX portfolio for your next job search. But wait, we have a final tip for you. As cocktails are topped with garnishes, this will help you garner the employee's attention. While crafting your cover letter resume, try to be creative and include this product in your resume to customize your resume to your dream company. Example, for Google, use a search result page to showcase your skill set. That's right, portfolio complete, time to get hired. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more such videos.